You want to apply beard products to a damp beard just like this. Just kidding, guys. We're not getting crazy in the studio right now. But in all seriousness, you don't want your beard to be dry. You don't want it to be dripping wet. You want it right in that middle ground to be damp. And the most kind of common follow-up question or rebuttal I get is, but hey, man, Dan, oil and water do not mix. Why would I want to put oil on my beard if it's wet? That doesn't seem to make any sense. Well, you're exactly right. They do not mix, and that property, that reasoning is exactly why we want to apply especially beard oil to a damp beard. I'm going to give you guys all the reasonings and explanations in just a couple of seconds here, but first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded. If you're new here, this channel is all about beard care. I hope you consider subscribing if you're not already, and everybody watching right now, hit a thumbs up if you think this could be valuable to you or anybody else out there. You can go back and change it at the end of the video if you decide that it's not. And if you already know me and you didn't need an introduction, thank you guys for coming back. Okay, let's get into the details here. Damp beard, got it. Let me go over the reason why first. Our beard hairs are very porous. What that means is there's a bunch of like crevices and cracks and holes and openings of the hair that will absorb liquids like a sponge, whether that's in oil, whether that's water, and we want that to be water. Right? When you get it to that damp-like state, essentially what happens when your beard is wet is it's going to soak up that water, and then if there's any extra, it's going to drip it right off. That's why we don't want dripping, right? If you put oil on a dripping beard, you're going to literally drip oil onto the floor, onto your clothes, onto a towel. We don't want that. We want it just right? You're going to figure out that range for yourself that's in there. So once the hairs are soaking up that water, that's good. If it wasn't like that and you applied oil to a dry beard, what's going to happen is wherever you apply that oil first, whether it's your fingertips, whether it's a dropper top, wherever that oil hits a dry beard first, it's going to suck up that oil and not allow it to go anywhere else on the beard. You're going to be using too much product, and we don't necessarily want the hairs to just be fully absorbed with that oil. And same thing for the skin. When it's dry, it's just not going to do as good of a job when you have that gentle layer of water over the skin. And then somebody would say, well, okay, well, that makes sense, right? It helps spread out the product, get it evenly throughout the beard. Great. Well, we have another bonus. When that beard is full of fresh water and we go in over the top with oil and they don't mix, right? So what that's going to do is the oil is not going to go into the water. So it's going to lock and seal the water in. That's a great thing. That's going to give your beard a little bit of a hydration boost and give it some nice health properties. Now, this isn't going to last all day. It's not going to last hours. It'll last, depending on your climate, depending on your situation, maybe 30 minutes, right? Well, what difference does that make? Grooming. You do not want to comb your beard while it's dry. I made a recent video on this. There's more tags. There's more tangles. There's more snags that kind of combine to the two words there. It's going to cause premature shedding. It's going to cause breakage. We don't want to do that. So when your beard is damp, when your beard is locked in and has that nice lubricant of oil on top of that, that comb is going to slide through your beard really nicely. And if it doesn't, that's a whole nother video. You should try a consistent heat routine, increase your internal water intake, try combing in the shower, try combing through conditioner in the shower. I got a bunch of tips for you guys, but this one is why we are doing this to a damp beard. We want that product to spread evenly. We want that hydration locked in there, and it's overall good. Try it. If you have not tried this, give me a couple of days of a damp beard. Dry your beard out of the shower, out of the bath, or even just get a spray bottle, get into the sink. Make sure it's not dripping. Make sure when you run your hand over it, or here's a good test. This is one that just hit me that I do. To see if my beard's at the right state of dampness, I take my hands underneath and I run my fingers through my beard. If I'm just shooting water all over the place, it's too wet. And I need to go through with the towel, kind of pat dry a couple of times, get that out of there. That, for me, on a long, medium beard, is a really, really good test, okay? Let me collect my thoughts, guys, for 2 seconds. I'll come back to you for a conclusion. Okay, I think we covered everything, but I would love for you to add on to this discussion down in the comments below. Please share your experiences. Were you someone that used to apply to a dry beard, you tried the damp beard and it was a game changer, or maybe you have thoroughly tested both ways and you didn't really notice a difference, or you have totally opposing views, experiences, thoughts? Hey, uncensored. Let us know. Let's keep that discussion going. I know that you can help somebody watching right now. But I do have a couple more things to say before we get out of here. First one, an apology. Sorry, guys. I think there may have been a little ghost that was in the corner on the first part of the video, but we got rid of him. I think he was friendly. No worries there, just hanging around the studio. So he is gone. Secondly, we do have some new hats available. There's a link in the description to my beautiful wife Sam C's Etsy shop. It is called Beauty and the Beard MI. We have this new, all the hats are branded bills. They're our absolute favorites. This one is a full gray snapback, and it's got the circle logo leather patch on there. Love, love, love. And then my favorite, I think this is my all-time favorite one. This would be the new multi-camo black hat with that kind of glossy logo one on there. This is leather too. They just put a different finish on it. And what I love about this is it is a performance cap. So it's got this really light and breathable backing to it. And it's also a snapback. And then a really cool thing is it's flex fit on the inside. So it's flex fit and snapback. Check those ones out, you guys. A lot of you always ask about hats and you want to rock some of the different merchandise from the channel. Beauty and the Beard MI on Etsy. Give it a look. Cannot wait to read your guys' comments. Thank you for watching. I cannot get enough of this, you guys. All the support, all the views, all the shares, everything that you do for this channel, it is always appreciated. I will never take that for granted. Thank you guys one more time. Dancy Bearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.